Hello again. Today I'm going to show you how you can create resources in a cluster that's autopilot in GCP. So I have in GCP I have created a cluster that's autopilot. That means I'm not giving it any configuration. I'm letting Google decide what nodes to run and whatnot. So it's 99% Google's configuration. It's for me, it's just a cluster that's there. So first thing I'm going to do, let's clear the screen here. Let's run the get credential command. Get authenticated. And that is the command here. You can ignore the error message. That's not really important, even though it says critical. If I now do get nodes, I see that Google has decided to run 4 nodes for me. Now, I would like to do is run something with it. For example, I want to run a pod. For that, I look at the documentation with the run -h command. And all I'm going to do is literally copy paste one of the examples to run a pod in the cluster. Give it a name. Not valid. Okay, fine. I guess it doesn't like the underscore. That. Okay, it is created. Give the screen so you can see better. Now, if I do get pod, I should see it's pending. Sometimes it takes a minute. Run one more. Okay, run -h. What if I run Hazelcast pod? Clear the screen. On that pod, do get PO. Both pending right now. Anyhow, what if I wanted to create a service account? Get create SA -h for help. And this is an example of how I can create a service account. Here's the screen so you can see better. I've already created one before, so I'm going to give it a different name. Now if I do get SA, see my service account, there's 2 of them. I'm curious if the pod got created or not. Sometimes this takes some time. They're both pending. Earlier I had created a deployment and that got created and finished. But anyway, you get the idea. It will come up eventually. It's not a big deal. It takes a minute sometimes. I'm guessing because autopilot cluster. Anyway, that's how you create resources in a cluster that you let Google decide what to run. Hopefully this was useful to you, and we will see you next time.